How to make a Viking knit bracelet. First, get your wire. Second, wrap it around 6 times. Third, wrap your endings around the top of your loops. Fourth, make the nebula. Pull your loops out. Then take the nebula and put it on top of the Sharpie. Take some masking tape. Wrap it around the end of that sucker. You know you need it secure. Go in from the left to start your loop. Once you start your loop, put your thumb there. Yeah, it may hurt, but don't be a wuss. Then go in from the right. You want to go in from the right and keep on going. Keep on going. This ain't no Ricky Bobby, but it probably is because we're going in reverse. Keep on going. So once you get to your desired length, or, the end of your wire, you want to remove it. Once it's removed, clip some of that little puppy off. And then we're going to sit there and tuck it right in and put her back on. Watch this. Oh my. Oh my. All right. Then we're going to take our next wire and then we're going to put it in from the right. Like we started our first loop, we're going to start this next one and then come in from the left. We're going to keep on going this way. We're going to keep on doing it. And then that's how we repeat this pattern over and 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 over. At the end of your assembly of wire, remove it from the Sharpie. Then draw. Once you get it to the desired length, you want to clip off the starting wire that you did not need. These endings will come off and you will not see this silver part yet. This is the end result of that. Then you want to take some 20 gauge silver wire and put it in through, making a loop at the top. So you can make your fastening endings. Look at that, that's the start. Ooh. Next, you want to take another piece of 20 gauge silver wire and crimp it down nicely. You're going to sit there and twist it so it has a nice closure and then form another hook. This is going to allow you to hook your bracelet
Run
onto
out
your
of
jump
music.
rings. Take your pliers, clip it shut. Sometimes it takes a little finesse. Now, to make your end cuffs and your jump links, you're going to sit there and just twist. Just twist, my man. Just twist. And look at that quality. Just twist. The quality is horrid. Now, that is your ends, and this right here is your jump rings. Just clip, 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 and clip. And that's the final result. Yeah.